Social media and sharing on today's internet is very important to your community. It'll help people discover the community and keep existing people engaged. We support Facebook and Twitter Connect built in to IPS Community. And in this settings group, you can enable them and control them. Now, of course, you will need to go to Facebook or Twitter and set up an application. There's more information on how to do that later in this document. But for now, we'll just go over the settings. You can enable or disable Facebook Connect. And these two boxes is where you would enter your application and secret key that Facebook provides you when you create an application to link IPS Community to. The default member group is for when people register via Facebook Connect or Twitter Connect. Which group are they placed in by default? You might put them in members, we have it set to visitors, whatever group you want to put them in by default. The bot group is used for when Facebook visits a page as a bot to spider the page to view its content, much like a search engine would do. What group should you treat that bot? You'd almost always want to treat that bot as a guest. You don't want to give it any special permissions or anything like that. However, if you have hidden forms that you want Facebook to be able to spider, but you don't want members to be able to view, you can set this to members or your equivalent member group. That's something you're really going to want to think about if you want to give Facebook or Twitter or even search engines specialized access. The locale is simply how it wants when it spiders what language to use. As the system says here, it's based on your language preference here. It's set to by default English US because that's the default language pack that comes with IPS Community, but you can change this relative to whatever your default language pack is. When people first register via Facebook or Twitter, you can choose how they want to be shown on the community. You can use their real name. You can allow them to choose, but have the software suggest their real name, or simply allow them to choose. If you enable allow user to choose, what happens is when they first register with Facebook, they log in via Facebook Connect, and the software says, okay, this is the first time I've seen this new user, so I need to prompt them for what do you want to be called when you post in this community. Because they may not want to use their real name, and this allows them to get that choice to be prompted for a display name, something other than their real name. Very similar settings for Twitter, which I won't go over, same sort of idea. And then finally we have the share link feature, which is at the bottom of every topic, blog entry, gallery image, almost every content type within the IPS Community's platform has what we call our share strip at the bottom. And this enables and disables it globally. Now within many of our applications like the forums, you can also enable and disable it more individually within each section, but this is a global setting here. So if you do not want the share system at all, anywhere, you can shut it off here. Publicly viewable data, what this does is when someone shares something with Facebook or Twitter or things like that, this allows the system to be able to view that regardless of its permission settings. This is often useful to give context to shared items, but some community admins may consider this a privacy concern. This is something you may want to experiment with to see which way you're more comfortable. And finally, the auto share setting is a really great feature for when people post a new topic or a new content item, to have that automatically shared to Facebook or Twitter. And what that does is, let me show you a quick demo here. I'm in a posting new topic here. And at the bottom, this setting enables these two links here. And what's great about this is when someone posts a new topic, they can check these boxes. And as soon as they post a topic, it also shares it to Facebook and Twitter saying, hey, I posted a new topic on this community, come check out what I posted. So it's really great for automatic sharing. And as you can see here, a link will light up set as my default sharing choice. So if the user so chooses, they can automatically have those boxes always checked. So every time they post a new topic, it'll automatically post to their Facebook and Twitter saying, I posted a new topic, come read my new topic. And it's really great to engage users and get them involved and get them showing people what's going on in your community. That's social media and sharing. It's a very simple settings group from a settings site, but very powerful features to help promote your community.